Construction is a tough, physical industry that constantly involves risk. Our customer is an industry-leading solar and wind construction company with safety as a mindset. They run multiple projects at the same time all over the United States, and perform a full scope of solar services at the same time, taking actions to increase workers' safety. Each project requires to daily pull large gauge electrical cable on hundreds or thousands of acres, for hundreds of thousands of solar panels. The height of the panel base is about 45 inches, and it does not allow a worker to safely drive a construction vehicle underneath with a spool of wire. Aitheon's autonomous vehicle kit for existing machines, like the John Deere Gator, eliminates the risk of caught-in-between injuries, and creates safer job sites for everyone. Let's take a closer look at this project. Our customer has an existing fleet of vehicles and requested to retrofit the John Deere Gator you see in this video. Aitheon's in-house teams designed, fabricated, and retrofitted the Gator with Aitheon's autonomous vehicle kit. This kit also gives them the ability to add on future enhancements easily. The internal testing phase is an opportunity for us to review the effectiveness, completeness, and outcome of all test phases, and make sure that the solution satisfies the customer's requirements, meets user expectations, and fits the business purposes prior to the customer acceptance phase. The testing phase is complete after the system is ready for production use. Aitheon provides group training classes at customer facilities or virtually. The training team also provides additional materials like user manuals for printing and internal sharing. On the day of acceptance, final testing is done by the customer's construction and management team. Aitheon's robot piloting and fleet management application is a part of the Aitheon business automation platform. Authorized users can easily operate robots, giving waypoint-based tasks in autonomous mode, or manual piloting mode remotely from anywhere in the world. The application is available for Android, iOS tablets or phones.